Welcome back to the channel, Cooking with Manual Focus, and today I'm going to show you how to clean a pellet grill. Now first things first, clean those grates. I place mine in the dishwasher, makes it super simple. The tools that you'll need: scraper, shop vac, wipes, or paper towels. Now here's a critical step: wipe down this thermometer, because this thermometer sends the info to your auger. So either it's going to be sending the right amount of pellets down to your firebox, or it's going to be holding back or sending too much. So you can either result into a pellet grill fire or flame outs. Now we're going to get into cleaning this bad boy up with the shop vac. So any time after a long smoke session, you want to clean out your pellet grill. Now if you're going 2 to 3 short sessions, then it's fine to clean it out after 2 or 3, but any long smoke sessions, please clean it out, after those long smoke sessions. So you can see all that debris that was in there, that was after 15-hour smoke. That scraper and that shop vac is gonna make the cleanup a lot easier. So we're gonna move to the flame broiler and we're gonna clean this. So just using the scraper and the shop vac. Now this flame broiler plate, right, is used to channel the extra grease towards the grease bucket. So that grease is gonna hit that plate first, then hit your bucket. So you gotta make sure that this thing is absolutely clean, right? So clean those channels, clean the plate, clean the cover, and then you're in the game. So the whole goal is to decrease the chances of a pellet grill fire, and then increasing our longevity of our pellet grill. So that's what we're trying to do here, and it's pretty simple, self-explanatory, but you got to make sure that this thing is clean. Now your flame is going to be on the back side of that, and again, when it's hitting, it's going to heat it up, and then heated grease turns to grease fires, and then that's what starts a lot of these pellet grill fires. So let's move to the hopper. So each pellet grill is going to have an access door where you can release those pellets if you want to change out your pellet flavor. So this is how you do it. Now, as you can see, my grill stays outside covered up, but with moisture, those tend to break those pellets down. So those pellets will increase your chances of a flame out. So you want to clean out your hopper, as much as possible. And then don't leave your pellets in there, right? So that'll reduce, losing pellets and losing the quality. But as you can see, emptying that hopper, now you can, shop vac that hopper and shop vac all that dust out. And now you're ready for any long smoke session. So you got all that, that nasty dust out that's gonna cause those flame outs. Now you're ready to put that brisket on the grill. And then we're just assembling this thing back. Now let's smoke something delicious.